Yo, what's up? It's your boy Currency 365. Hope you guys are doing well. Legends never die, they stay in our hearts. If you want to support us, click the like button, subscribe to the channel, and also you can come down here and hit the join button under the video or in our channel section. And you can also join our Patreon, patreon.com/currency365. And we also have Cash App and also PayPal for supports if you want to sow some seeds. Peace out. God bless. Enjoy the video and keep the movement going. Legends. Bye. All right, all right. Welcome back to Currency 365, LUNC community, USTC, and also Luna 2.0 community. What's going on, everybody? Let's put 10 minutes on the clock. It's a Friday. Happy weekend, everybody. Friday came back so fast. It's ridiculous. Okay, so 200, we got, I said 200, $420 million market cap there. So we're up on that. Volume's down big, only 13 million in volume today. But we are up a little bit, 2.69%, 407738. Okay, and the circulating supply is 5439 trillion there. All right, let's look at the yearly chart, and we're still in the green. We have to break this downward trend. When are we going to break this downward trend? Hopefully in the month of, hopefully either next week or the last week of August, heading into the rate cuts in September. Hopefully we can break that downward trend. Let's look at USTC up 1% today. Tomorrow I will be swapping my LUNC over for USTC, continuing to build my USTC position for free that way. And all right, so USTC doing that thing, looking for it to repeg, not an algo repeg, but just a normal repeg of going up to 35, 40 cents plus, and just allowing LUNC and Luna 2.0 to really thrive. 84 million there, 4.2 million in volume, and you can see the circulating supply down at the bottom there. All right, it says I'm bullish on USTC, 6 cents, 12 cents, $1. Okay, let's go. All right, so let's see. Yeah, same thing here. We got to break this downward trend. We got to break it to the upside, right? And hopefully that happens in the next 2 weeks or in the month of September. Yeah, looking for anywhere between 10 to 15 cents maybe in the month of September for USTC before it pulls back to its to the price of the Iraqi dinar, right? So, all right, we'll see how that plays out, right? Won't we? All right, let's go to here. Let's go to Luna and see what's going on. Luna, 31 cents, up 2% here, and $259 million market cap and 17 million in volume there, 824 million and circulating supply there. All right, so there's a lot of people that are working behind the scenes to stop Luna from rising, stopping USDC from repegging, stopping Luna 2.0 from doing anything as well. So a lot of people behind the scenes working hard to using their tools and their deceptive and deceiving ways to keep these cryptos down, right? And so, and not just these ones, but a whole bunch of them, right? So, yeah, and some of them watch these videos, and we're watching other people's videos, they're watching all the information that people are having, and they're using their derivatives tools and their leverage tools and their futures trading tools to make sure these things do not come up and people don't prosper. Isn't that crazy that we have people like that? But that's what we have. That's the world we live in. And unfortunately, that's what they want to do with their lives. Like really weird, but that's what they want to do. That they've dedicated their lives to make sure people don't prosper. And that's really crazy, but that's what they want to do. All right. Here, so we have better chances of short squeezes then, because when that happens, you get short squeezes, right? When people suppress things, you get short squeezes, and those come out of nowhere, right? So that's a good thing for our end, is that it's probably going to trigger a short squeeze, right? So at some point, right? So anyways, we've seen it in the stock market as well. when things just short squeeze. We had China plays. Was it last year? We had China plays short squeezing. I mean, they went from like $3 to $700 in like 72 hours. Short squeeze. People things just short squeeze that are suppressed, right? Silver's going to do the same thing. They suppress silver for a long time now. Silver's going to be 100 to $300 probably within the next 3 years by 2030. Definitely, it's just going to absolutely send, right? And silver's going to go crazy, right? And same thing with gold. Gold's going to go up nicely, maybe to 10,000 plus. So silver. I think Cliff High has silver at $300 to $500, and but the world that we're living in is not a pretty sight. Well, the world that we're living in right now is not a pretty sight either. So I guess it's gonna be even worse. When silver's at $500, yeah, right? Because now everything uses silver, by the way. So can you imagine having to pay $500? Like my God, that's awful. Okay. It's not awful for people who own the silver. The problem is, what are you going to trade your silver for? You know, um, that's the only problem. It's like unless it's like silverback dollars or something like that. Silverback dollars maybe that might be it. But other than that, what would you if your silver prices are at $500? What would you trade your silver in for? That's the only problem that we're gonna have, right? So we don't want greenback dollars. They're gonna be worthless, right? So um, that's gonna be the only problem. What in the world will be trading our maybe Bitcoin? Maybe I don't know. Okay, I guess when that time comes, we'll figure it out. All right, so this is what's going on in Galaxy Station. If you're having problems with Terra Station, then just use Kepler wallet, right? So we went over that the other day. Kepler wallet, you can use that wallet. There's yeah, so you can use Kepler wallet. You can use Galaxy Station, Kepler wallet. If you're having problems with um with Terra Station. All right, so it says we already got this. It's already passed. Remove the KYC. It did not go through. I mean, it already failed. My bad. It already failed. KYC failed. Removal of KYC failed. Voting. There's nothing in the voting, and there's nothing in deposits. I don't think. Nope. All right. So let's go over to here. Before I go over here, I got something that's open right now. And I went, oh yeah, this check this out, guys. Just we're gonna go from LUNC to SHIB right real quick, but this is interesting because I'm not doing a video on it. I might do a video on it tomorrow, but I'm putting it in this video real quick because it's just I just seen it. I had this thing open. I was like, wait a minute, I have this thing open here. Introducing SHIB Torch, a long-awaited community burn portal is now live. The burn portal is finally live, guys. Finally, only took 2.5, 3 years. Right? Every Shibarium L2 transaction now helps burn ship, reducing the total supply. Okay, great. Finally, right? Now we just got to get the gas fees up and and get things going, right? And ship will be able to get to into the pennies and dollars, right? This is awesome. So yeah, this is good, right? What I mean? Now we just gotta get the gas fees up, get transactions up, the gas fees up, and support Bone, support Shib, support Sheena, support all these things on the chain, and do swaps on Shiba Swap and all these things, and yeah, we transact on the Shibarium, and things are gonna happen, right? So there you go, right? Okay, so that was a detour, but we're coming back to Lung now. All right, I guess I might do a video on it maybe Sunday or something tomorrow, Sunday. I don't know. I just wanted to put it out there now because I might not do a video on it. So who knows, right? Because people have been waiting so long, they don't even care no more. I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. I told you guys that. I'm still gonna hold my Shiba Inu. And now that we got a burn portal, all we gotta do now is increase transactions and and increase that gas fee and increase transactions, increases gas fees, and there you go. And then we can get some big burns happening, and we can reduce the total supply, the circulating supply of SHIB significantly over these next 2 years, 3 years, and maybe SHIBs in the pennies and dollars. Okay, so let's see here, 10 million in burns, 11 million in burns today, and we got 17,000 in USTC burns, and we got 15.37 a ratio there. And okay, so let's look at here. 107 now, 8850 for LUNC in the billions there, and in the Oracle pool, and we got 369 for a million in USTC or community pool to the upside, continuing to the upside, recovering there from the Lung Goblin cash out, and now paper jobs cash out, and now we're coming right back up. So that's good. All right, stats. We lost 21 million last 24 hours. And you can see Terra Casinos burning. Burn it all burns 6,596. We got a long way to go to get to 10,000, 100,000, a million. We should be burning 10 million a week. We got to get to 10 million a week here. Terra Casino burning LUNC there, where others shout out to everybody there. 0% fee of USTC airdrops, 1.9 billion. Wow, nice. So people are getting air. I don't know who's getting airdrops. I don't know how that works, but it looks like people like that. I don't know. And then we have TDRSYS losing 1.3 billion as well. All right, and then we have missignatures. We have 18 missignatures and only a couple of them that are really big, but other than that, pretty good. The validators are almost back to normal again. That's nice. And then so here we are. We're 10 minutes in, so we're done. Here's the validators. Some of them are good, many of them are bad. So you decide who's who. Let's go. All right, everything looks the same. And I did say that we're going to see some big changes by the time we hit election. There'll be some major changes here to the validators. Peace out. God bless. I'll see you guys in the next video. Have a great weekend. Bye.